This is the home page of the project. It says DevCamp's Fantastic Fries. All this has been created through HTML. If you look at the up here at the top, next to the address says file. This is not a website yet. It's just a file being imported through a web browser. In this case, it's Google. So all I did was Control O and open a file from my desktop into the website itself, and it shows up as a website. This is all code that I put in. Everything here has been typed in and created. It says Leaf Life. This is the dispensary in town. Using a Google Maps, we implemented a custom Google Maps section. This is the footer. All this is inputted by me. As you can see, Code Viking and all that business. And if I go over here, all these little contacts, they all work because these have all been created. And so every time I hit that button, it'll pull up the next HTML file. That's the About Us page. This is what's called a skewed footer with a Y skew. Obviously got a picture here. If you look real close, there's a border here. We put in stylings to put in a really tiny border, styling all the paragraph, styling this into a grid box, display flex, adding things like color to the text here, as well as the arrangements. Of course, the footer's there again. And you click to the next page, is the menu page. There's another skewed footer with a different image in it for the heading. Here we did some bullet points. There's supposed to be a link here, but the Font Awesome link doesn't work. It's supposed to be a little icon of a link. This is bullet points. Here we have listed an organized list. This is an unorganized list, or a UL. This is an organized list, or an OL with numbers. We inputted all this. There's the footer again. And here we are right now at the contact page, which is almost finished, and another skewed header. And from Google, the box has a shadow and lights up. And the next couple of courses, I'll be finishing up this contact page, and we'll be having a send button. And there's the footer again. And this is all from this. I'm going to open this up. Hopefully it captures the display. From Studio Visual Code, when we started at the index page, this is what we saw. This is all the code behind that HTML navigation wrapper. There's the hours. Here's the logo for the fries. There's a links wrapper. You can see the index, about, menu, contact. Those are all the things that float up in the header. Address wrapper. Hero section. This has the chef. And, well, actually, this is the yellow bar with the light up. All these are division classes, and then inside division classes have things like top heading, and then the code that says HTML styled fries that showed up in HTML. This is where I started this first page right here in the about, or the index, and to show you how we take all this code, and this is just information, and if you didn't add any stylings to this information, then the HTML readout would be pretty crazy looking. And to give it actual stylings and positions and borders and stuff, refer to this area here, link reference style sheet. Different styles here. We have common nav, homepage, and footer. That's a pretty basic one for the index, but that refers to styles here. And the first one is common. Click on common. This one's pretty easy. Look, it's got the margin for the body and refers to the font family, all the headers. This is just saying all the common styles that is referred to is going to look like this. Some styles for the contact. There's a bunch of styles for the footer. The one at the bottom of the page you see in that green color, here's the color itself. There's the font, justified content, all this other stuff that we have learned to put in. I have learned to put in as I'm following this course. Social media's icon. All the things that we see in the bottom of the footer here, this green box, that's it. It's pretty crazy the things I'm learning here. And this is all through Bottega, an online course. And I just wanted to make this to show what I've been doing with my time. Thanks for watching.